Welcome back to Kanen Coffee. In front of me I have a beautiful Pavoni that was brought in by Brian. Thanks for bringing it in. He wanted us to give it a general tune-up, which is appropriate for its time with Brian. And the base was a little loose, which does happen with this machine sometimes. The reservoir gets a little loose on the base. It's a big problem to fix, but it's definitely doable here in the shop, and we took care of that, and we did give this machine a nice little tune-up, cleaned it up a little bit, and though the machine did give me some problems, it's up to speed. All right, so let's pull a shot. Ugh, hard to do with one hand. Just pre-infusing it right now for about 5 or 6 seconds, and then let the shot drain through. The machine is in good working order. Makes a good shot. Brian, thanks for bringing the machine in. If you guys like our videos, please give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get back up there in subscribers. Let's go for 1,000. Thanks again and have a good night.